There is a recall affecting around 52,000 Hyundai vehicles due to a potential issue with the electronic controller for the idle stop-and-go oil pump assembly. This problem may have occurred during the manufacturing process and could lead to operational malfunctions, posing a fire risk and potential injury. The affected vehicles include various 2023 models of Hyundai Elantra and Sonata sedans, Kona and Tucson SUVs, and Palisade SUVs. Hyundai dealers will inspect and replace the electric oil pump controller at no cost to owners. Until the repair is completed, owners are advised to park their vehicles outside and away from structures for safety. Owner notification letters will be sent out by the end of September. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Hyundai at 855-371-9460, recall number 246, or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's Vehicle Safety Hotline at 888-327-4236. You can also visit their website to check your vehicle identification number and get further information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button on a video.